Welcome everyone. Today we are treating indicial equations. And under indicial equations we have three categories. The first one will be the linear indicial equations. The second one is the simultaneous indicial equations, and the third one will be quadratic indicial equations. And these are our first example. If the cube root of 4 to the power of 2y equals to 8, find y. Write out the question. Okay, now if you look at it very well, you see that we can change this cube roots to everything here to the power of 1 over 3, which is we have 4 raised to the power 2y, everything bracket to the power of 1 over 3 equals to 8. Right? Now, when this 1 over 3 is equal to 8, I change to what now? 3 over 1. Just reciprocal. Now 4 to the power of 2y equals to 8. 3 over 1, which is still what now? 4 to the power of 2y equals to 8 now to the power of 2, because 3 divided by 1 is still 3. Okay, now you see that we have a new equation. Okay, what do we do? You remember that 4 is 2 times 2 and 8 is what now? 3. 2 times 2 times 2. So what I'm trying to say is at this point you try to equate the base. Okay, you try to make the base the same. What do we have here? We now have what now? 2 to the power of 2 bracket 2y equals to 2 to the power of what now? 3 bracket 3. Okay, so this base is equal to this base. Let's cancel everything. We now have 2 bracket 2y equals to 3 bracket 3. What should you do? Use this to open brackets. Use it to open this bracket. Now have 2 times 2. We now have 4y equals to 9. So now y equals to 9 over 4. This is example 2. Okay, in this case we are going to use a very quick method. Make sure you understand. Now we have 10x times 5 to the power of what now? 2x minus 2 times 4 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, so what we do first is this. I will make sure all my bases are equal to 10. How is that possible? This is what we do. You see that we have x minus 1 here as a power of 4, and we have 2x minus 2 here as a power of what now? Of 5. So it is very easy for us to factorize this first power. Okay, that we now have 10x times 5 to the power of 2 bracket x minus 1 times 4x minus 1 equals to 1. This is what I've been telling you. Okay, so we now have what now? That's 10 raised to the power of x times 25 raised to the power of x minus 1 times 4x minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, since they have the same power now, it is suitable for us to times these two bases together. And now have 10 to the power of x times 25 times 4 is 100 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 1. So let us equate all our bases. Okay, so we now have 10 to the power of x times 100 to the power, 100 is 10 to the power of 2, and x minus 1 equals to anything raised to the power 0 is 1. That means we now have 10 raised to the power 0. So we now have what now? 10. Since equal bases, we plus everything together. We now have x plus 2 bracket x minus 1 equals to 10 to the power of 0. Now let's equate the bases. This cancel this. We now have what now? X plus 2 to the 2 into x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, now I have x plus 2 x minus 2 equals to 0. This x plus 2x now have 3x equals to 2. This is when our 2 go back to this other side. X now is now equals to 2 divided by 3. This is our answer. If you think you understand my examples perfectly, please try this out.